If you're experiencing any digestive troubles, this video is tailored for you. While delving into the research for this content, 3 noteworthy facts emerged. Firstly, a considerable number of individuals are grappling with various digestion-related issues. Secondly, the remedy for these problems is straightforward and feasible. Thirdly, the positive impact of implementing this solution becomes evident within just a couple of days, not lingering for weeks or months. Without further delay, let's kick things off. Hello friends, and welcome to DN Fit. Keep in mind, it's not only about what we eat, but more importantly, about what we digest that fortifies our strength. About 80% of human illnesses are directly or indirectly linked to the stomach, the place where our food gets digested. Whether you're aiming for muscle building or fat loss, a poor digestive system makes living disease-free challenging. Before we proceed, this video aims to educate, not substitute professional medical advice. Big thanks to our awesome supporters. If you haven't subscribed, just click in 2 seconds. It's free and encourages us to make more helpful videos. Let's kick off this video with 5 easy ways to instantly boost your digestive system. Number 1. Jeera Water. Jeera refers to cumin seeds, which are the dried seeds of the Cuminum cinnamon plant. It's one of the best home remedies for a weak digestive system. Here's how. In a pan, add 1 glass of water and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it boil until it reduces by half, then strain and drink. Cumin seeds effectively increase bile juice release from the liver, aiding digestion. Chewing the leftover cumin seeds is also recommended for better results. Number 2. Asafoetida Water. Asafoetida, also known as hing, is a potent spice that eases gas and enhances blood flow in the digestive system. Here's a simple method. Mix 2 pinches of Asafoetida in a glass of warm water and drink it 30 minutes before a meal. This can significantly contribute to digestive well-being. Number 3. Isabgol. If you're dealing with constipation or diarrhea, Isabgol, also known as psyllium husk, is your go-to solution. It's one of the best ways to cleanse your digestive tract. For constipation, mix 1 teaspoon of Isabgol powder in a glass of warm milk and have it 30 minutes before bedtime. If you're dealing with diarrhea, take 1 teaspoon of Isabgol mixed in curd on an empty stomach in the morning. A crucial point to note, consume the Isabgol mixture instantly, as it swells up quickly upon absorbing liquid. Number 4. Carom and Fennel Seeds. Carom seeds, ajwain, and fennel seeds, sonf, are renowned for enhancing the digestive system. After a meal, simply consume 1 teaspoon of either ajwain or sonf, and it will promptly aid in the digestion of food. It's convenient to keep these seeds handy for quick access. Number 5. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera juice is beneficial as it boosts the water content in your intestine, facilitating normal stool passage. Take 20 ml of aloe vera juice, mix it in warm water, and consume it on an empty stomach in the morning for quick results. These are the 5 straightforward methods that provide instant relief for your digestive issues. Now let us talk about 5 lifestyle tips that will make your digestive system stronger. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is a highly effective method to cleanse the colon and eliminate toxins and solid waste naturally. Always keep a water bottle handy. It's crucial to note that water should be consumed between meals, not during. Drinking water with or right after a meal can dilute stomach acid, impacting the digestion process. Maintain a gap of at least 30 minutes. Number 2. Mindful eating. The food we eat significantly influences our digestive system. Regularly consuming processed, deep-fried and refined foods, as well as those with artificial colors and flavors, can cling to the inner walls of the intestine, making digestion challenging. Opt for fiber-rich whole grains like oats, millets, whole wheat, brown rice, and nuts. Include probiotic foods such as curd, buttermilk, and lassi in your daily diet to enhance the good bacteria in your gut, facilitating digestion. Incorporate seasonal foods to minimize gas, bloating, and other digestive issues. Fruits like apple, papaya, pineapple, and guava are excellent choices as they are rich in digestive enzymes and antioxidants. Additionally, the daily consumption of 1 to 2 teaspoons of daisy cow ghee can significantly aid in digestion. Choosing the right foods contributes to a stronger and more efficient digestive system. Number 3. Regular exercise. Exercise has a substantial impact on the digestive system, more than you might realize. Any form of physical activity or body movement aids in expediting the movement of food through the digestive tract. Exercise enhances blood flow in the intestinal muscles, tones them, and improves their contractions during the passage of waste. Even low-level activities such as walking, post-meal strolls, or climbing stairs can yield the desired results. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine promotes a healthier and more efficient digestive process. Number 4. Vajrasana, Thunderbolt Pose. Vajrasana stands out as the most effective yoga posture for alleviating various stomach-related issues. It stimulates the Vajranadi, promoting digestion. When you assume Vajrasana, more blood flows to the stomach, aiding in the digestion process. It's advisable to sit in Vajrasana for 3 to 5 minutes after meals. Incorporating this practice into your daily routine whenever possible can significantly enhance the digestion process. This leads us to the last point, which I believe is the most crucial yet often overlooked. Number 5. Chew your food thoroughly. Consider how many times you chew one bite of food. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, people often neglect this crucial step. The human body is designed so that 50% of the digestion process should occur in the mouth. Saliva, which contains special digestive enzymes, mixes with the food during chewing. Ideally, one should chew one bite of food at least 25 to 30 times. While this number may seem substantial initially, gradually getting closer to this habit can bring significant relief from various digestive problems. Properly chewing your food is a simple yet powerful practice for promoting optimal digestion. Start implementing these tips today. We've covered 5 instant solutions and 5 lifestyle changes. If you commit to these practices, I guarantee you'll notice improvements in your digestive system within 1 week. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please show your support by giving it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.